The U-Shower by Moen Smart Home Connected Bundle for 2 Outlet is a complete set that comes with a digital controller, valve, and backup battery kit. This bundle provides a seamless and intelligent showering experience, enabling users to control the temperature and flow of their shower with the touch of a button. The digital controller is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring a sleek and modern design. The controller has multiple settings, allowing users to choose their preferred water temperature, pressure, and flow. Additionally, the controller is equipped with a backup battery system, which ensures that users can still control their shower in case of a power outage. The valve is a high-quality, durable component that ensures consistent water pressure and temperature throughout the showering experience. It also has a quick response system that reacts to changes in water pressure and flow, making it a reliable and efficient solution for shower control. In conclusion, the U-Shower by Moen Smart Home Connected Bundle for 2 Outlet is a smart, convenient, and reliable solution for showering. It offers users complete control over their showering experience, and its sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom. If you're looking for an intelligent and effortless way to improve your showering experience, this bundle is highly recommended.